Hey there, Daily Davers, Alec here. As you can see, I'm not in my usual place at the office. I'm actually here in Singapore. Woo! Me and Noam just arrived to be at the BEF, the Blockchain Economic Forum, here in Singapore. Super exciting, many meetings, really cool people here. Next time you're going to see this video, we're going to be in a party. Boom!
Hi guys! Last week ended with more pre-sale management, our meetup event in Tel Aviv, and a big announcement. Today is 100% focused on the pre-sale. I'll be responding to emails and messages on Telegram, preparing SAFT agreements and offer summaries, and continuing to keep the ball rolling. See you tomorrow.
Hey, good morning. So we ended last week with a great meetup. We had an Ask Me Anything with the audience. We had food, drink, even live music. It was a lot of fun, and you can check yesterday's video for that. I also spent my weekend going over GitHub, going over old issues, creating new issues, and reintegrating pull requests were received. Today I've been working with Lior in a new communication protocol that is part of a new proof of concept we're building with one of our robotics partners. I'm also working with Copter Express, integrating their API into mission control, which is really cool because I'm sitting here in the office accessing the API and I can get real-time details on actual drones in Moscow, even send them command. It's a lot of fun. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey guys, so on Thursday we launched 5 new communication protocols onto our developer portal, so go ahead and check it out. And I also completed the work on the cargo insurance protocol on Thursday, and then we headed out to the first meetup that we had in Tel Aviv, which was really great. Today I reviewed the pricing models across the board on all protocols, and we basically changed them to be giving more options to bidders for providing services. And I also defined the next protocol that will be for the POC that we're making with Ozerian, the robotics company. So we decided to create a protocol that will be more wide scale, so not only for robots or for drone rescue, but rather something for vehicle locating. So this will be the next one coming up. So stay tuned. Thanks.
Hi everyone. I'll start my working day with a few fixes our beautiful homepage. I'll correct new roadmap, I'll add several points and fix one of them. Also, I'll make new banners image for header and they change color in triangular diagram, select technology. After then, I'll style work for branding our social channels. At first, I'll make a match for YouTube header. I'll plan use our new colors, icons, fonts, etc. After then, I'll make several variants, new banners, address. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.